Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome back to the channel. Dear fans, today in this video I want to talk about Knucklez-Sale. It is a brand new project that have a massive potential inside. So in this video I will explain each and everything related to this amazing project. So dear fans, Knucklez is going to be the greatest hit this year and the moon is our starting point, and let's show them what real meme coin is all about. So dear fans, you can check out in official Telegram group how many people are joining this one, and they are talking about this brand new project. And you can also check out, and dear fans, you can also join this growing and active community, and you can also discuss about this amazing project as well, and you can also check out all discussion about this project as well. So I also recommended you to must be follow them on official Telegram group, and you can get and check out all information. Strap in, we are talking meme coins to the moon and beyond. Join the Knucklez-Sale party and let's rock to the crypto world together. And here you can also check that it is already you can find out on coinsnapper.net, and you can check out its detail and read to write the Knuckles rocket to the moon and beyond. Get on board and let's make history. And dear fans, I will explain you how can you buy this amazing token, because it is pre-sale is launch date is November 11 2023 and submitted October 8 2023. And dear fans, you will be able to buy this one and hold it. Now its pre-sale is live. I will explain how can you buy. So here you can also check out other tweets related to this amazing project. So I also recommended you to must be download its white paper and read more about this amazing project. And here we can check out its overview. Knock down them are beyond the moon, and so you are probably wondering who the heck is Knuckles. Well, let me break it down for you. Knuckles is the living embodiment of that never say die spirit that the undergo everywhere relate to. You know, these times when you just grew more than being just average. Yeah, we are all been there, and no need to say it how loud. So we totally get you. But don't get it twisted, Knuckles isn't your run of all the mill and goofy meme coin lost in the massive world of crypto. Now, this that is a game changer. You trigger out of the financial swamp. He hacks a punch that could go any opponent and make a head look like a slow poke in a race. Forget about how fast you can dash. It's all about that raw and unfiltered power that take the spotlight when the showdown kick off as well. So here you can also learn more detail about this amazing project, and let's but why stick to just and moon right as well. And you check it out, and we got a squad of hardcore crypto fans who are about the meme life and riding that crypto roller coaster, and together we are sending the Knuckles spaceship straight to the star. We get it, meme culture is all will and unmet, and that exactly what Knuckles represent, that spontaneous endless vibe as well. So dear fans, here you can also learn more and get ready, because Knuckles is here to shake things up, leaving a trail of memes and pure meme in his walk. And come join the action and be part of the craziest meme coin in the game. It is all about Knuckles baby as well. So it is the strongest meme coin and next gems token. So you can also check out its amazing roadmap. In phase 1 is included foundation, and they will done on this phase token development, pre-sale, launch and token deploy as well. In phase 2 it is consist of launching that power token, launch and FTF development, DEX token listing, stacking, system development, Knuckles as well. So here we can also check out phase 3, let it fly to the sky, stacking and NFT launch, collection reward for stacking. Knuckles passive income is here, build community are included in phase 3 as well. So here we can also check out its token mix. Total supply is 333 billions are ready for a relay, and this is some power. This is mega giga power, and pre-sale price one Knuckles is equal to 0.000014 dollar. So here you can also check out the total wealth of pre-sale size, and you can also check out the token sold around 48% as well. So here you can also check out once again the total local supply 333 billions as well. So you can check out, it is the next 100x gem project. So don't skip to this chance and must be buy this one, and don't skip this video till end. I will show you how can you buy this one. So here we can learn about token allocation. So 160 billions, around 48% of all Knuckles is allocated for pre-sale. 160 billion, 48% are reserved for stacking program, and 13 billion, 4% is starting liquidity for poll on DEX as well. So here you can also find out the disclaimer and risk warning detail as well. So dear fans, here I want to show you an exciting news. So you can check out on queensnapper.net. It is the best queen today. So the best queen is Knuckles, and you can check out the memes coins. You can buy this one. Its pre-sale is live now, and here if we scroll down and we can check out and we can find out the Knuckles, and here you can also check out the status is pre-sale. And dear fans, here you can also learn more about this amazing token, and you can find out all information related to this amazing project. So dear fans, here you can also find out its description and read more about this amazing tokens. And Knuckles is like ultimate charm, always going for the gold and wrapping the undergo crew in a crypto scene. This isn't just another meme coin. He is your ticket out of the ordinary as well. And Knuckles isn't stopping at the moon. He's setting his sight on the entire universe, and he's breaking all the rules for meme coins and tokens. So get ready, jump on the Knuckles ride and aim high with high up 100 millions market cap goal. And Knuckles is an ambitious to shake things up, living a trail of meme and excitement in his cosmic path. This is one journey you definitely don't want to be zone. So dear friends, here you can also check out pre-sale info, and start date is October 8, 2023, and it will be end on November 11, 2023. So you must be participate and buy this token in pre-sale, and when it will be listed, its price goes up. So dear friends, here you can also check out all other detail, and you can also check out the launch date. So it will be launched after pre-sale, and the date is November 11, 2023. So you can check out all information here. So let's check out how can you buy this amazing token. So dear fans, this is the official website at Knucklez-Coins.com. I have placed all official link in my video description. You simply click out and you will come here and you can join this amazing project. So do you know the way to the moon? So dear fans, only 32 days, 1 hours and 40 minutes are left. The pre-sale will be ended. So here you can also check out the one Knuckles price as well, and you can also check out how much token is sold and how much is remaining. So dear friends, you can buy this amazing token with Ethereum or with USDT. It is your choice which you want to be buy. So first of all, you need to connect your wallet. You can connect your MetaMask Trust wallet with this one, and then you can simply choose your currency and enter the amount here, and you can check out how you can get Knuckles token as well. So dear fans, the minimum requirement is 20 USDT, and you can buy more than 20 or 20 USDT. So it is very easy way. You simply click on the buy, and then you can easily buy this one. So here Knuckles search for the way until he become a master. No, he knows the way to the moon as well. So don't miss this chance. Must be buy this amazing token, hold it, and later you can make passive income. So dear friends, also like this video, share with your friend. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.